Hey, it's me, Haspe with WTI, and as you can see, I have curly hair, and that's why I have a bunch of curly hair products, but this is one that I wanted to recommend. It's been one of my favorites, and I keep buying it all the time. This one comes in a pack of two. It is the Avocado Curl Activator from Cantu, and this one has avocado oil and shea butter, which is what gives me so much hydration, and I feel it. I love that it is suitable for my curls, but also waves and coils. I also love the scent. It is not too strong. I love that it leaves my curls with a lot of volume and really soft. My hair, when I use this product, doesn't get frizzy at all and doesn't tangle up. Since it has avocado oil and shea butter, it keeps my hair with a lot of movement and pretty soft. So this is basically a curling cream that also gives my hair a lot of hydration, and that's why I appreciate the product, because it doesn't even feel like it's hard, even though it gives me that hold that I want. I also love the consistency of most of the products of this brand. It's really thick, so a little bit goes a long way. So if you have curly hair like me and you want to introduce a new product to your curly hair routine, well, this one would be a great choice, and that's my point of view.